If you've ever found yourself reading an essay, paper, or article before submitting it to a teacher or editor and asking yourself, is this high quality? Then the all-new Originality AI Content Quality Score feature is for you. Content Quality Score is designed to help writers, students, editors, and professionals quickly evaluate the overall quality of their writing before they hit submit or publish. When you run a content quality scan, Originality AI analyzes your writing for patterns commonly found in strong content. After scanning, your content will receive a classification of either low, good, or high quality. It is important to note that Content Quality Score is meant to provide guidance, not a final judgment or guaranteed grade. Running a content quality scan is simple. First, paste or upload your content directly into the Originality AI editor. Select Content Quality Score from the scan options on the right-hand side. Then, click Scan. Within seconds, Originality AI will analyze your writing and return a content quality classification. Here's a quick breakdown of what each content quality classification means. High quality is classified as strong writing that is likely to meet or exceed expectations. This is best for areas like higher education, journalism, and technical writing. Good quality is classified as writing that meets general expectations and is on the right track, but may still benefit from refinements or edits. Low quality writing is classified as writing that may need additional revision before submission or publication. Whether you're submitting an assignment, preparing a blog post, or reviewing professional content, Originality AI Content Quality Score helps provide peace of mind that your writing is clear, polished, and ready to share.